Welcome everyone. Here we are going to use earbuds and crepe paper. Cut a small piece and cut the top of the earbud and paste it around this yellow crepe paper. Make more such pieces. Here we are making wheat stock and then put all of them one after another on this green stick, and look, it is ready. You can use it as decor piece for your home. In this video, we are going to use different shades of small pieces of green ribbons. Paste all of them on this double-sided tape and roll it around green stick. You will get a beautiful feather stick. Now we are pasting these green leaves using floral tape, and look, you can make more such feathers and it's done. We all have these type of colorful paper bags, so let's use them today. We are going to make multiple cuts on green and yellow paper bags, then cut it. We are using this zigzag scissor, and look how pretty the pattern is looking. Make the leaves and paste all of them around this green stick using floral tape, and looks done. In this video, we are going to make flowers using ribbon. So cut 4 cm of pink ribbon, fold it and start cutting it like this. Open it and your flower is ready. Make 4 such flowers. Same way we are going to cut 1 cm yellow and green ribbon. Make multiple cuts on it and start rolling it around this green stick, and look, it's done. Now we are going to combine all the petals one after another and start folding it and pasting them using hot glue gun, and look, your flower is ready. Make more flowers and make flower stick. We're going to cut 4 cm green craft paper, fold it and cut a leaf petal like this. We are going to paste it around this green stick. Similar way, we are going to paste it on the another end and make a complete leaf. Make more leaves and paste all of them on this green stick using floral tape, and look, it's done. Cut 9 petals and start rolling them. Here we are making a beautiful rose flower. Curl them using a stick. After this, we are going to paste all of them one after another using hot glue gun, or you can also use normal glue, and look at the beautiful rose flower. Cut a green crepe paper. Here we are making the sepal and leaves. Combine all of them using floral tape, and look, your flower stick is ready. Let's make a beautiful stick using these red beads. Cut a small piece of green wire and paste it on the top. Make more such beads and combine all of them on this green stick using floral tape, and look, your stick is ready. You can use it as decor piece. In this video, we are going to use this red paper bag, so make small pieces of it, start fixing it. Here we are making artificial chinar leaves, so cut it, fold it and give it shape using fire. Then make more such leaves and combine 5 leaves together, and we are going to bend it on the green stick, and it's done. Make more such leaves and combine all of them together, and look, your artificial tree is ready. Let's use white and yellow fruit foam net. So roll this white foam net and make a cylindrical shape. Similar way, we are going to roll this yellow fruit foam net and paste it using double-sided tape. We are making corn here, so paste all of them together like this. Make more such corns, and look, it's done. Look how cute these pandas are looking. Let's make them using fruit foam net. We are using white and black foam net. Make pom-pom ball using white and black and combine all of them together like we are doing here. Make the head, hands and ears of the panda. Paste its black tail, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.